I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
This is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
We've got a cute one coming up.
Beachy Beach.
So, Laguna Beach is where it's at, guys.
That's right.
The west end of Panama City Beach. Laguna Beach is super hot right now. People love it.
And this property is perfect. Somebody can take it, make it their own, upscale it. It's so close to the sand.
On the corner, so you've got like a retro, an old beach cottage. It's a fixer-upper.
Yep.
You're gonna wanna do some things, improve it, make it your own. But the lot is what's so valuable.
Yes.
Corner lot, super close to the sand, no HOA,
Yep.
no short-term rental restrictions. So your vision is gonna determine what you do with this beautiful property. And Laguna Beach, again, the location is amazing. You're close to the Carousel. You're a short drive to 30A,
Yes.
a short drive to Pier Park, Frank Brown, the airport.
It's a perfect location. And what's so great is you don't have to take someone else's style. You can just make it all your own, whatever's in your own vision.
Exactly. If you want to take advantage of this opportunity in Laguna Beach, please give us a call. We would absolutely love to show it to you.
And for more details and information, look in the description below, click that MLS link, and it'll give you everything you're looking for.
And don't forget to subscribe. Ring that bell. Don't miss out on any future videos from thebeachshow.com.